Welcome back to Moto Mix. I'd just like to give a quick shop update. Not much has been happening with the build. Life's gotten away. Been watching a lot of Toolbox Tours lately, so I figured I'd take a stab at it. So up in the top of my box is the socket drawer, basically. Also got all my screwdrivers. This is my get her done screwdriver. It's works really good for lock tabs on the Harley Davidson inner primaries. Seen quite a bit of use in its day. Everybody needs a good striking pry bar. This one here in particular is from Lang, made in USA. Outside of that, get back in the hole, baby. Outside of that, I prefer the snap-on pry bars over all the other ones. They seem to be really rigid and hold up really well. Plus, if you can't tell, I'm kind of a fan of orange. I bought these many years ago. The Wit screwdrivers seem to grip really well. They do really good, not camming out like other screwdrivers. Looking over here in this other box here, I do have my original set of snap-ons. And out of all the snap-on handles, these are probably my most favorite. But you can see this thing's got a lot of use too. They work really well. Have no complaints. Most of my sockets are Sunex. Big fan of their warranty, and I'll be honest with you, I've never had to use it. Their sockets hold up really well. Right here's the snap-on mid-length wobble sockets. These things are pretty awesome. Never had any issues out of them either. I got my oversized sockets. These are Harbor Freight specials. I'm gonna tell you right now, as much as I use them, they do the job. Got some original Matco USA standard Allens. I do a lot of work on Harleys in my previously, so you can see I got Allens out the wazoo, all in standard. That's pretty much my top drawer. Oh wait, here I got these original Craftsman USA impact sockets. If you guys can ever find any of these things are amazing. They're a lot heavier than what the newer stuff is, and they really take some bolts loose. Top drawer, my metric wrench drawer. Of course, I got some, these are my Capri, take some light down here. My Capri Slim wrenches right there. Those things are amazing. If you get a chance, go ahead and buy them. I highly recommend it. Got the Cornwell USA metric set. Let's see here. These things are a little different to get used to, but here, I'll actually pull a snap-on up. I got some snap-on ones right beside it. Was that 18 millimeter? So the Cornwells are basically 180 out from the normal wrenches. I'm gonna tell you what, they do the job. I have no complaints. Put those back. These are the snap-on mini wrenches. These things come in handy. Them things are handier than a pocket on a shirt. For my mini wrenches, I just got some El Cheapos. I think these might be It says sure built. I don't know. They work. They do what I need them to do. Got some Allen wrenches in the back. Moving on to the next drawer. Got my ratchets. I'm a big fan of the snap-on. Got the, these are actually the gray ones are the 100 anniversaries. This bad boy right here is my indexing. Come on now. Gear wrench. That thing's came in handy a time or two. I've also got my wobble extensions. Mostly snap-on. Here's this is a Harbor Freight. This is Blue Power by Cornwell. Haven't had any issues. I mainly use these two snap-ons right here. Got a few Harbor Freight specials back here and a old school snap-on ratchet. There's my torque wrenches. Got the Icon in the back, 1/2 inch drive, Cobalt 3/8 drive, and then the what brand is that? Husky brand quarter drive. Got the some more specialty tools for Harleys. Got the rocker box wrenches. Also, this is my Mac ratchet. I always keep it set up to do the exhaust nuts on Harleys. Palm ratchet. Various extensions. Can't have too many extensions. Adapters. This is my standard wrench drawer. Got basically 2 sets of snap-on right there. And I also got my gear wrench, ratchet wrenches. Got a good selection of the snap-on stubby wrenches. Those are basically specialty wrenches for Harleys right there. Got the Harley ratcheting made in USA Lang axle nuts ratchet. This is also for the axles on Harleys. Made me a specialty socket. This is a to take off the exhaust bracket on Dynas. Works really well. On to the next drawer is the plier drawer. Got the snap-on snap ring pliers. Got a couple different variations of flush cutters. If anybody's in the market, these Klein made in USA are amazing. These are the Harbor Freights. I bought these first to test them. I'm gonna tell you what, they get the job done. They're not as sharp as the Kleins, but I highly recommend it. Various pliers. Big fan of the Nip-X. Pick assortment. Got the Stillman mini screwdrivers. They've came in handy a time or two. These are the hose picks. Highly recommend the Astro brand. These things, they're super cheap and super handy. I think they were like $8 or $9. Let's move on to the next drawer. In this drawer, got, I don't even know what these are. These come in a mystery package I got. I know they have a lot of these things on Volkswagens and stuff. They're real handy. Got the hammers. Got my old school E-swing. I'm gonna tell you what, This is a bad dude. This thing's seen a lot of use in this day. Takes the licking and keep on ticking. This is a pretty handy set of wrenches right here. That's the Harbor Freight metric wrenches. You just put your little extension on there, a piece of pipe or something, and them things, they take a lot of use. No complaints with those. Bottom drawer. Got the Milwaukees. Then there's some miscellaneous stuff. This is the Pittsburgh Harbor Freight. Let's see. It's a wide jaw crescent wrench. I'm gonna tell you what, this thing has came in handy so many times I can't even count. Highly recommend going and getting it. I think it was like $10 at Harbor Freight. Oh, going over here to the other box. Compression tester. Nut search tool. This thing is real handy when you're dealing with sheet metal and bolting stuff onto it. That's just a fuel tester, nothing fancy. Got the snap-on screwdrivers. Also have the marine plug screwdriver. That thing's pretty handy. Got a couple of miscellaneous things over here. Got my mirrors and stuff. Got the Mighty Vac. That thing's super handy. 1/2-inch drive impact, Harbor Freight. I ain't afraid. The carbon scrapers. These things are the best scrapers on the market. Bought these from Lyle. Hands down the best scraper I've ever used in my life. Getting into this here. Got the got my power probe in here. These things are great for checking lights and stuff. Got a little test light. Got a little iNova 5610 scanner. That thing's real handy. And also got my Fluke multimeter. In my opinion, Fluke is the only brand to buy when you're buying multimeters. On to this next drawer, got some miscellaneous stuff in here. Got the Chief carbide burr bits. These things are pretty awesome. Can't complain. Got them on a good deal. I think 20% off, and they were already on sale. Got a few left-handed drills and kit removal kit. I don't know how you guys are on drill bits, but the old Matco Cobalt. Hyper steps are probably some of the best drill bits I've ever used, man. Them things, they're awesome. That's all I can say. Also got the Irwin and just a regular drill bit, Cobalt. Pretty awesome drill bits. And got the snap-on tap and die for the standard. Also got the metric from Harbor Freight. Got this spiral removers. These things come in real handy when working with Allens and stuff like that. Anything with the big recess there. This right here is the Harbor Freight calipers. I mean, these things do everything I asked them. They do inch and millimeters. If you do buy this, I highly recommend keeping the batteries out of it. Oh, and right here we got tap sockets as well. Lyle makes the best tap sockets on the market, if not the only, I don't know. Got a good center punch. Let's say this is Starrett. Can't remember. This super heavy duty, really nice. These Harbor Freight ones suck. Don't buy them. They're a waste of money. This here is just kind of a collect all. Got my piston ring compressor. Mainly use it on Harleys. Got some Harley specialty tools. Some fuel line removers. This thing's pretty awesome. This is a Weller soldering iron. Highly recommend Weller anything. And down low we got a few air tools. Really don't use those much anymore. Got enough electric stuff that pretty much does the job. Well, that's pretty much all I got. Got a snap-on creeper there. Oh, this thing right here. If you're working on cars, this is super handy. You throw a bunch of tools in there and just wheel it in and wheel it out. You don't have to have it just laying around. That's about all I got. Alright guys, well hopefully I'll be starting to put more videos up, so I appreciate you all watching. Thank you.